Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the iron indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a type of oscillator that helps us identify the market trend. This oscillator consists of two lines, the uptrend line and the downtrend line. The trend is identified in such a way that when the uptrend line is above the downtrend line, we are in an upward trend, and when the uptrend line is below the downtrend line,
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
we are in a downward trend. When these two lines are close to each other and somewhat intertwined, the market is in a ranging state. This oscillator also shows us the strength of the trend in such a way that when the uptrend or the uptrend line is above the number 70, it indicates a strong upward trend. And when the downtrend line is above the 70 area, it indicates a strong downward trend. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. This indicator has only one parameter for adjustment, which is the period during which it identifies the trend. The higher we set this value, the fewer trend changes it will identify for us, and the uptrend and downtrend lines will become smoother. Let's see the live test and this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You will see the live test and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.